Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are fine and at home. Well, I'm back with yet another vlog. First of all, Merry Christmas because I'm shooting this vlog on Christmas. Although by the time you see this vlog, it would be a day or 2 days later. But still, I wanna wish you guys so Merry Christmas, guys. And well, by the way, the reason I'm making a vlog today is that because today is Christmas, ऐसे मैं कुछ ज़्यादा तो नहीं कर रही, मैं कहीं जा भी नहीं रही हूँ, I'm just at home. So I just thought कि why not let's order pizza, and we thought कि monster pizza order करते हैं लापिनोस से. So we have ordered that. So I thought कि मैं इस पूरे procedure को vlog करती हूँ and I should share with you guys my experience about the monster pizza. So that's why I'm recording it. So let's wait for the pizza to arrive. Till then, bye bye. Okay, so guys, अभी लापिनोस से फ़ोन आया था and they said कि sorry, we cannot give the monster pizza to you because 24 inch का box अभी out of stock है, मतलब ख़त्म हो गया है and we cannot deliver you the 24 inch वाला pizza. Instead, we'll deliver a 13 inch and a 18 inch pizza. And they were saying कि दोनों का price ज़्यादा होता है if you order ऐसे ही and 24 इंच वाले का कम होता है बट विल नॉट चार्ज यू एक्स्ट्रा. सो अब 24 इंच का नहीं आ रहा, अब 2 पिज़्ज़ा आ रहे हैं, एक 13 इंच का और एक 18 इंच का. बट मुझे मॉन्स्टर पिज़्ज़ा चाहिए था, माय बैड. चलो मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम, बट आई विल स्टिल लाइक व्लॉग द होल प्रोसीजर बिकॉज आई लाइक रियली वांट टू नो कि कैसे इनका डिलीवरी आती है बड़े वाले पिज़्ज़ा की. 18 इंच भी बहुत बड़ा है, सो लेट्स वेट. So guys, here is a pizza. Monster तो नहीं आया but large वाला भी बहुत बड़ा है, like 18 इंच भी इतना बड़ा है. ये large pizza से भी बड़ा है Domino's Pizza Hut के. So let's just open it. है तो दोनों flavors same ही. So दोनों को open करते हैं. So this is our pizza. Like look at this. So huge it is. And this is our second pizza. But I wish ये monster होता. कोई बात नहीं, 18 इंच तो है लार्ज. एंड लुक एट द नंबर ऑफ ऑरेगानोज एंड चिली फ्लेक्स दे हैव सेंट विद इट. लाइक बहुत सारा है. बट ना पिज्जा बहुत ठंडा है बिकॉज इट लिटरली टुक 2.5 hours टू लाइक कम. लाइक मैंने 7:52 पे ऑर्डर करा था, मेरे पास 10 o'clock आया पिज्जा. तो बहुत टाइम लगा इसे आने में. तो अभी मुझे इसे गरम करना पड़ेगा. लाइक एक डिस्पैच भी हो गया था, इट वॉज आउट फॉर डिलीवरी सिंस 8:49 बट आने में भी 1 घंटा लगेगा बिकॉज आज क्रिसमस है. सो आई थिंक दैट्स द रीज़न. तो मैं अब इसको पहले आई हीट इट एंड देन आई टेस्ट इट. सो हियर इज अ पिज्जा. आई हैव हीटेड इट इन द माइक्रोवेव एंड नाउ लेट्स जस्ट टेस्ट इट. It is actually delicious. मतलब अगर गर्म वहीं पे होता या ज़्यादा ठंडा नहीं हुआ होता तो और भी टेस्टी होता. And plus the crust is super thin, which I really like about this pizza. Okay, so time to cut the cake. Come. Okay, so Pranch is gonna cut the cake. Karo, Pranch, cut. Merry Christmas!
Merry Christmas! Merry Christmas! आज मुझे काट लेगा.
खुद ही खा लो. Here's a hack to eat this extra large piece. It's super delicious. Well, I would say you must definitely try out this one, especially the monster pizza. So I just came back to my room after eating the pizza and watching a movie. Well, that's how I spent my Christmas at home. So I thought that before I go to sleep, I should just end the video and tell you guys about the pizza in detail and the price I paid for it while ordering it. So first of all, I would say that the pizza was delicious. I mean, you must try it out. It's not bad. Like, it's better than Domino's. Plus they have that single crust. You do not need to choose a crust. They have only that crust which I ordered, which is thin. So the crust was like neither very thin, like extremely thin, nor it was like too thick. So I would say that the pizza was really delicious. Plus the toppings and all that you need to select according to your taste. Okay, so the pizza that I ordered was Garden Delight, and it was a 24-inch pizza, which we generally call the monster pizza. And the price I paid for this pizza was $11.85, although the price was $13.25, and after a discount of $200 it was $11.81. $1325 plus taxes, so that's why it was something around $1381, and after a discount coupon of $200 it came for about 1181 rupees. Well, this is the screenshot. You can see all the details here. So I already told you guys that they didn't had a 24-inch pizza box, so they delivered me 2 pizzas. Well, according to them, the 2 pizzas would cost more than the price I paid. Well, I actually didn't check, but I think that it would be like more than the price I paid, because I was like checking before ordering. The large pizza, which is 18-inch, is like somewhere in between 700 to 800, and the 13-inch pizza is for something around 500. So obviously it is more than 1100 or 1200. Overall, I am happy with the pizza that I had. Only delivery was an issue, but I think the problem I faced with delivery was because today is Christmas, and that's why like there's a lot of traffic. Even my mom and dad went towards the old side of the city, and they too were saying that there's a lot of traffic outside. So well, that's the reason also the delivery guy got late. So we cannot blame the restaurant or the delivery guy for this, because it is Christmas and it's a holiday. So keeping that in mind, I would say that my overall experience was good. Plus the pizza was also really nice. The only thing was that it was cold, but I reheated it, so I didn't face any problem with it. So that's for this video, guys. Well, if you guys enjoyed watching this video, then do like this video and share this with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Well, I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.